Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do with you guys the Latina makeup look. So let's go ahead and start off the look. The first thing, I always clean and moisturize my face, and now I'm gonna apply a blurring primer, especially in the center of my face. Next, I'm gonna use a product for a glow, and I'm gonna use the Maximizer Glow by Dior. I'm using the shade Gold. I absolutely love to use this product when I want to create a more soft and natural glow underneath the foundation. Next, I'm gonna just blend it out using a dual fiber brush. And also I used a small amount of product, and by the way, the moisturizer that I used for today's look is a matte finish as well. Next, I'm gonna use a liquid foundation by Clinique, and this is a moisturizing foundation, so I'm gonna apply a few dots all over my face like this, and I'm gonna just diffuse it using a damp beauty blender. It's a full coverage concealer foundation, so I'm gonna apply a small amount of product again, and you can see the effects that I get, especially using the product to give me the glow underneath the foundation. It looks amazing. In the beginning of the video, I show you guys that I used fake tan, so everything that I use for my face will match with my neck and chest. That's why the foundation that I used for this look is a little bit darker, but no problem, because here I'm gonna play with highlights and contours, and I promise you guys, it's not scary as it seems. Of course, it gives you a little bit of work, but in the end result, it looks stunning. So I really recommend for you guys to try, especially when you gotta do a photo shoot, for example, and you want to create this amazing skin effect. So now I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna fill in the gaps using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. Fill in the gaps, and next I'm gonna create a sharper brow shape for the Latina makeup look. Here you can see the difference in a natural brow and the brow that is done. Wow. Actually, I absolutely love my brows in the natural shape, and if I need to fill the gaps, I love to do it in a natural way. But looking my brows like this, like overdone, it's kind of looking good. Now I'm gonna play with highlighting and contours. So I'm gonna use the bronzer as my contour today, and this is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Honey Glazed. So I'm gonna apply in the areas that I want to sculpt, and to apply the product, I'm using a concealer brush. And here the trick is a moisturizing foundation. It will make it easy to blend, and also use a small amount of product in a very different color, for example for contour and for highlight. It's gonna make it so easy to blend and will give you the perfect end result. Trust me and trust the process. Well, here you can see the contour and highlighting placement. I just leave it like this for you guys to see, because the way that I love to do this process is, for example, apply the contour and blend it out, so I can go over with the highlighter and blend it out again. So it allows the products to dry, but no problem. If you like to make it even easier, you can just apply a little bit of setting spray, apply all over, and start to blend using a damp beauty blender or a brush if you like. For this makeup look specifically, I decided to go with the same beauty blender that I was applying the foundation. And by the way, I used here 2 liquid blushes, and I used Happy and Joy by Rare Beauty. So take your time to blend everything together, and just be careful to not blend too much. Remember, we want everything to look flawless, well blended, and with a airbrushed finish. But at the same time, we want to see the contrast in the colors, and each color in your own place. Once I finish to blend all the colors here, if you like, you can go over applying more contour or more highlighter or more blush if you feel like you blend too much the products. Once I finish to blend everything, and I feel like everything is okay with the cream and liquid products, then I can go over using a translucent powder just to set everything, and in the highlighting areas I like to leave a little bit of excess to highlight a little more to intensify the color. And for the rest of the face, for the bronzing part, for example, I like to go over using a bronzer palette to set the cream bronzer and contour, also the blush if you like. But if you absolutely love how it looks just with the cream and liquid products, you don't have to do this part because it's pretty optional. So I'm gonna continue to blend till I finish everything, and I'm gonna apply a translucent powder all over my face using a brush, and using a beauty puff I'm gonna just apply in the areas that I want to highlight a little more. So again, the bronzer palette, I'm gonna set the contour, and now I'm gonna use blush. For the blush, I'm gonna use another trick that I love and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So I'm gonna use this duo highlighter and blush palette, and using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take the highlighter first, and then I'm gonna mix with the blush, and I'm gonna apply in the apples of my cheeks and a little bit in the highest points where I want to stand out even more. The end result is flawless and looks perfect in my skin. So when I got a highlighter that I cannot use as highlighter for my face because, for example, it's too dark, I can mix together with the blush, and this is the result that I get. Perfect. So I can use every highlighter that I got. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use chocolate brown palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna take this light cool brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply my crease and outer corners to create a more soft smoky eye. Again, I'm gonna take a darker cool brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply it just in the outer corners, always blending outside to create this foxy eye shape. Next, I'm gonna switch the brush for a concealer brush, and I'm gonna apply the darkest shade just in the roots of the lashes. Then I just finish off the eye using fake lashes and mascara. And moving on to the lips. For the Latina makeup look, I'm gonna use a nude lip contour, overlining the lips a little bit, but just a little bit in the center. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use a nude moisturizing lipstick. My lips are too dry at the moment, so I cannot go with a matte lipstick. Especially for the Latina makeup look, it looks so good. So I'm gonna apply all over the lips the moisturizing lipstick by Huda Beauty and the lip contour Huda Beauty as well. Right on top, you can apply lip gloss if you like. This is how we finish this trendy makeup look. This is my version of Latina makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look, and I see you later in the next one. Mwah. Bye!